Last Wednesday in Pennsylvania featured a huge variety of weather. While heavy snow fell in parts of the Northeast, severe thunderstorms erupted in the Southwest, spawning a rare March tornado in the state. Now, that tornado struck at 4:45 p.m. near Greensburg in Westmoreland County, the first tornado in that county in 5 years. Estimated highest winds were 120 miles per hour along its 6 to 7 mile path, which was 300 yards wide at times. Many single-family homes were damaged, some losing their roof or an exterior wall. Numerous trees were uprooted, and the football stadium at Hempfield Senior High School was also damaged. Fortunately, there were no serious injuries. Here's a month-by-month breakdown of all tornadoes reported in Pennsylvania since 1950. Reported is a key word here because before Doppler radars came along in the 1990s, some tornadoes certainly went unobserved, especially in sparsely populated areas. Now, having said that, we know of about 700 tornadoes in the Commonwealth since 1950, an average of 11 to 12 per year. The peak time is clearly the summer, especially June and July. March is way down the list, just 21 tornadoes prior to this year. Only December, January, February, and October have fewer. Now, here's how those 700 or so tornadoes are distributed by county. The counties with the most are shaded in yellow. Crawford, Westmoreland, and Lancaster lead the way with more than 30. Others with more than 20 include Chester, Berks, York, and Lycoming. Notice that many of the counties with the most tornadoes are relatively large, while smaller counties such as Fulton or Lawrence County tend to have fewer. So to more accurately gauge the risk, we really should divide by the area of the county, giving us what's commonly called tornado density. Here's that. This is in units of tornadoes per 100 square miles. And again, I shaded the counties with the highest values. The maximum is in Philadelphia County. That's probably biased on the high side, I think, by the small size and dense population. So we can be pretty sure that we didn't miss any tornadoes in that county. Now, generally speaking, the tornado density pattern can be explained with some basic meteorology. The west and the southeast have easier access to warm, moist, low-level air that's needed to power severe thunderstorms. On the other hand, the variable, often high terrain of central and northern Pennsylvania interrupts the flow of warm, moist, low-level air, making severe thunderstorms less likely to form there and weakening many before they reach severe limits. One risk-related factor that I didn't consider here is intensity. Most Pennsylvania tornadoes are weak and cause little or no damage, but about 25% are rated 2 or higher on the scale of 5, and they pose the most risk. I'll take a closer look at their distribution in a future segment. Paul Knight is back next with the extended forecast.